In 1999, to create this one shot in the Matrix, it took 120 cameras, custom-built rigs, and nearly $500,000 to create this one shot. Today, you can do it on your laptop with AI for free and in under 5 minutes. Let me show you how to do it. So in Vinci Resolve, find the clip you want to do the effect on. Find the point of where you want this effect to happen. So I'm going to pick right about here, making a funny face, so we'll see what happens. Click anywhere in the timeline. Then push M on your keyboard to place a marker. Head over to the color page. Then right-click on the frame and grab a still. Over here on the left-hand side, click on Gallery, go under your stills, and then right-click on the still that we just created and select Export. You can export a JPEG or a PNG file. Then head over to Higsfield.ai. You can make an account for free quickly by clicking on the right-hand side and adding your email. When you get to the main screen, you'll see over here on the left-hand side this top choice of bullet time. Go ahead and select Generate. Upload your PNG file or JPEG here. Then all you have to do is select Generate. Now, I'm going to tell you a few things about this website, and no, this is not a sponsored video. I just thought this was a cool way to make this happen. One is if you create a new account, you only get 3 credits before they start to try to charge you for something. So make sure you pick something that you really want to do this on. After that, they're going to hit you with a price tier of like $10 a month, $30, $50, whatever it was. Also, this part of the process does take about 3 to 4 minutes, and you don't always get the best results. But this is a great website to just try some new things out and have some fun with some crazy AI effects. Anyways, I'm going to go make some coffee. I'll be right back. Okay, so then once it's done rendering, you can click on this play button to review what it did. Now, it's not always perfect. It is wild. I don't know what is going on here. You can come up here to the right-hand side at the top corner and click Download. It'll go into your Downloads folder. Okay, so where we have the marker on the screen, we want to cut the original clip. Go ahead and push B on your keyboard and move this over out of the way for now. So here are the 2 clips that I have that I generated. This one is the one that we just did. It's pretty wild. I don't know what's going on here. And then we have this one. All right, that one's going to be a little bit better. So we're going to use the one I originally did. Go ahead and line it up on the marker, and it'll play through. And you can trim the video wherever you want to use it or not use it. So I'm just going to go to right about here, and I'm going to trim the clip. I'm going to hold down Alt on the keyboard and drag this over to duplicate it. And I'm going to right-click on that clip and select Change Clip Speed. Then select Reverse Speed. So now we have this reverse boomerang effect. And it's pretty sweet. Then I'm going to take the original clip, hold down Alt or Option on the keyboard, click and drag it. And I'm going to basically just drag it towards the end of this clip here like that. Drag it open, move it over. And the reason I'm doing that is because the original clip that I had before I started this tutorial was a little different in size. I adjusted it. So then I'm going to drag this down like that, and then boom, there we go. Okay, so obviously this is not $1 million shot, but it is still insanely impressive what AI can do today. And it's only going to get better from here.